Today at Garden Starts Nursery, we found these lilacs also in the field, and they're probably 3 to 4 years old since we've had them. And as you can see, there is a lot of dead on it. These are a French lilac. They have a really good smell, but if not taken care of, as you can see, they start to go the other way and not look that good. So what we're going to show you is how we trim these up at Garden Starts Nursery. So we're going to go in here, find which ones are dead and trim that off. And like this one here, you have green on it and the rest is green and it's flowering actually on that branch. But that part and that part of that branch there has a flower on it too. So we're going to actually take this off, that much off, throw that away. Gonna find some more. There's some little branches on this that are dead, but you got a little tiny one here that's got a flower on it. So we're gonna keep that. Come down here, trim some more off. This branch here, you can see it's pretty much completely dead. It's got green growth right there. So we're going to take it right to that green growth. As you can see, it's still fairly green, but there was no leaves on it or nothing, so we took that off. So here we're going to look around, see if we can find some more. We're going to trim it off. Little ones here, a little bit here. That one looks pretty good. That branch. So we're going to take a look at this branch here. You can see where it's V'd out there. We cut it down, see if we can get those pruners in there a little lower. So you can see here, there's quite a bit that's dead here, and there's good green. So we're going to take that one there. And this one here is completely dead, so we're going to take that down. This one here, the same. This one's green, that's green, the end of that's green, that one's dead, this one's dead. So basically you're looking for the ones that have no life and are brown. This one here, it actually, the other branch off of it is really nice. So we're going to actually trim that up. This should look pretty good when we're done with it. And we'll be able to set it out. So we're gonna actually rotate this a little bit. See what we find here. This has such a good smell to it. The bees love them. So if you want something really nice for your yard that's a good pollinator, oh, we messed up. There was a little life on that one. But there's still a lot left, so we'll be okay with it. Yeah, as I was saying, these are great for your yard. You can actually keep them as a shrub so they won't get too tall and stuff. And this is a great example of how to trim it, how you can shape it and keep it low. I'd recommend to fertilize it couple times a year, in the fall, in the spring, before the blooms come out. Get down here and trim that one. This one right here, as you can see, there's green there, no green there, and a little bit there. So we trim that off. The upper part of that one don't look too good, so take that off. This here, that branch here, you're not going to hurt these things as long as you don't take any main branches off. It might, if you do, it might hurt the growth for that season, but it's going to make it bushier. So we're going to turn it again. Got it in this trailer because these are really heavy shrubs. So some of them you can just do that and then it'll come off. But that one has some life in it, so it's really pliable, so it's still alive. Okay, so we need to look a little bit more here. That one's dead. That one is too. Got a big branch here that we need to look at. Is there any life in that one? Right down here, that's where it starts, so we're going to take that whole branch off. Trim this one up here too. And take that there. That one there, and there's one there. There. And we got some more here. So we're going to turn it around a little bit. One here that's no good. So we'll take a look at it. This one here, I'm going to take it down to there. So anytime, basically what you're looking for is you have something like this here and you have one that's not good and one that's not good there. Take it down to where it branches out and then it'll look good. So this one here, you can see it looks good, has nice flowers on it. We're going to take that off. Take that off and be very careful not to do like I did earlier and cut the good flower off. All right, there's another one. So this one broke off. Probably smashed it with my hand. But as you can see, it's not super hard to trim a lilac up. And it'll look really good, ready to plant. And that's how we trim stuff at Garden Starts Nursery. Thanks for watching.